Breaking news: world's saddest elephant dies after decades of being on Earth. And Confinement: the world's saddest elephant has passed away. Some of the comments are: how long do elephants usually live? Some say about 65 to 100, not sure. And others are saying she no longer sad in heaven, is happy. I wish elephants could be free in the wild, but they are not because they are in danger of people killing them for being wars. So I think that's it. I wish people stop putting animals into prisons. Animals are meant to live free, not in captivity. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also to leave a comment below. May its soul rest in eternal peace.